together in the endless light. In every heart, the light of truth resides. Beyond the veil of perception, we are one. Embrace the miracle within and let it shine.